Hello there everyone, and welcome to the August 2020 standalone die release full reveal video. So first up we have Simple Nesting Flowers Layering Die Set. A little bit of a mouthful to say, but it is a really fun set to use. So in here you can see that we have various size flowers in different styles, as well as some flower centers and also some leaves, and they kind of look like oak leaves to me, so these are really fun to play with. So you can cut these out using all different colored cardstock or white cardstock and then ink them in your favorite colors. Completely up to you how you use these and layer them up to create your own fun flowers. Next up we have Leaf Mix Die Set. So in this one we have a myriad of different leaves. So they're all the same size leaf, and then you can mix and match the elements to create various different leaves. This is a fun set to use. Again, use all of your different favorite colored cardstocks, or you just cut them out of white cardstock and ink them up using your favorite inks or even ink sprays to create various effects for this one. Using different colored cardstock you can create different effects, creating kind of spring leaves or autumn leaves. It's completely up to you. Next up we have some layered cover dies. Now it's been a while since we brought some layered cover dies out, and these are amazing. So we have layered Geo cover die A and also layered Geo cover die B. So these are both 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so will fit on the front of a standard A2 card base, and then they're going to cut some beautiful Geo patterns in there. So you can layer them either way round to create various different looks, and we do have the layering guide on the bottom of the packaging for you. So as you can see, they are a 4 1/4 and 5 1/2, and they are steel die, so they're going to cut perfectly well using all of your different die cutting machines. So this is a great one to use to add various different effects using vellum, colored cardstock, or even your inks to color your images too. Next up we have another cover die for you. This is the Stacked Diamonds cover die. So this is again 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so it's going to fit on the standard A2 card front. And in this one we have little diamond shapes here. It also reminds me of kind of like a deco look, so it's a really great one to use if you are going for that kind of style. You can also cut this twice and then add them on top of each other and flip one of them round to add a different effect to your cover die that way. Next up we have the Tangled Loops cover die. So as before, it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so it will fit on the front of a standard A2 card base. This one features some beautiful swirls and loops. It's a really fun look to this one, kind of whimsical I think, and more on the fun side. So you can cut these again using different colored cardstocks and then layer them up, maybe move them around a little bit to create a really fun layered effect with this one. Next up we have Burlap Texture Die. Now this is a fun die, so maybe you love the look of burlap on your cards and your handmade projects, but you struggle to actually stick it down. It can be a tricky thing to stick down onto your projects. Now no more. You'll be able to cut this from colored cardstock, maybe some craft cardstock, to create that burlap feel, and simply just add it on with some glue tape, and it's going to stick there forever, and you're not going to have to worry about any of the fabric peeling away. It's so cool. Next up we have the Mini 3D Stars die set. So in this one we have 3 different star shapes. So this is the same as the 3D star that we already have in our collection, but these are smaller. So maybe you want to create some smaller elements using these stars, some little smaller ornaments that you can create with them, or you can just add them onto your projects just by simply folding them along those fold lines that you do have on the little dies, and it's such a great thing to add. Next up we have the Thin Frame 3D die set. So in this one you're going to have 2 dies, they cut and score, so you're going to be able to create some really cool box frames with these. So one is 5 1/2 and the other is a 4 1/4. So when you pop these together you'll create a frame that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Alternatively, you could use the larger ones and create 4 of those to create a square, which would be 5 1/2, or you could use the smaller ones as well to create a smaller square, which would be 4 1/4 all the way around. Really a fun element to add to your cards and even your home decor items. last but by no means least, we have the Featured Sentiments die set. So in here you have many different strips with a rounded edge, so you can add a focal point to your sentiments. So you just simply stamp your sentiments onto them, or stamp your sentiments and then use the dies to cut them out. There are also larger ones of the ones that you have there, just to create a mat and layer for your sentiments. So these are going to work with many of the different sentiments that you do have. You have some longer ones, some smaller ones, and some fatter ones, and some thinner ones. This is such a great set for you to add to your stash, and I know you'll use it all the time. So that is all our fabulous new dies in our August 2020 standalone die release. We hope you've seen something that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!